Go ahead.
Yesterday, when the babysitter was here, Lydia and me changed chores. I still sweep. I wipe the tables.
Did she sweep or did she wipe the table?
We did change chores.
So did she sweep?
I don't know.
So you wiped the tables and swept?
Yes, and I do.
Someone pulled the wool over your eyes. That's not changing chores, PJ. That's called she got you. Lydia. You changed chores with PJ? Don't do that again. Yes, ma'am.